Legends never die. They evolve. Today, we're witnessing the rebirth of one of the most iconic names in automotive history. This is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing, a perfect fusion of timeless design and futuristic engineering. The front fascia immediately takes your breath away. The unmistakable Gullwing DNA is intact. Rounded fenders, the low-slung nose, and that iconic Mercedes-Benz star proudly at the center. But now it's surrounded by a refined, modern grille design and adaptive LED headlights that reinterpret the classic round shape with laser precision. Every chrome curve glows with contemporary confidence, while subtle red lower accents hint at the performance lurking beneath the hood. From the side, the proportions are pure art. The long hood and compact rear cabin scream 1950s motorsport heritage, yet the body sits lower, wider, and more muscular than ever before. The signature air intakes are retained, sculpted in deep gloss black, while the sleek green metallic paintwork radiates elegance and strength. It rolls on large AMG-inspired multi-spoke alloy wheels wrapped in performance rubber, with red brake calipers adding a touch of aggression. This is where nostalgia meets velocity. The rear continues the story of balance between the past and the future. The clean curvature of the trunk now integrates thin LED taillights that flow seamlessly with the body's natural lines. The 300SL badge reminds us of its heritage, but the quad exhaust system below leaves no doubt. This is a machine born for the 21st century. The word Gullwing proudly sits on the rear plate, honoring the spirit of the original 1954 icon, while dual diffusers and carbon detailing whisper performance at every angle. Step inside, and you enter a masterpiece of modern Mercedes-Benz luxury. The 2026 300SL merges retro curves with state-of-the-art technology. Soft two-tone leather, brushed aluminum trims, and customizable ambient lighting create an atmosphere that's both nostalgic and futuristic. The dashboard houses a wide digital display with AI-driven navigation and entertainment systems, all while preserving the soul of the analog era through its circular vents and stitched dash. The seats, sporty yet refined, cradle you like a grand tourer, ready for both cruising boulevards and conquering mountain roads. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing is more than just a showpiece. It's a powerhouse. Mercedes has equipped it with a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, producing around 600 horsepower, paired with a 9-speed dual-clutch transmission. Power is sent to the rear wheels for that authentic driving feel. Yet modern traction systems ensure every drop of power is perfectly controlled. Acceleration? 0 to 100 km/h in under 3.5 seconds. breathtaking for a car with roots stretching back nearly 70 years. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing is expected to enter limited production, with fewer than 300 units worldwide. Each will be hand-assembled, combining modern Mercedes-AMG engineering with bespoke craftsmanship. Estimated price? Between 1.2 and 1.5 million US, depending on customization. Launch is anticipated in late 2026, marking the return of the Gullwing name for a new generation of collectors and dreamers alike. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing isn't just a car, it's a time machine. It carries the legacy of the original masterpiece into a world of digital luxury and raw performance. It reminds us that innovation never forgets where it came from. It only learns to fly higher.